Hello guys, this is Muse from Yes Color, and today I would like to introduce our injection molding workshop for reference. And come on, let me show you. And you can see we have a lot of injection machines here, and we open the mold, and we produce the bottles, the caps, and the small accessory by ourselves. You can see there's so many injection machines here. Okay. Now I'm bringing you to our production parts for the bottles and the caps. I will show you the details. And you can see this is one of the parts. It's the injection part. This is the cap nest, injection cap nest. We open the mold and we produce them by ourselves. Okay, and you can see we have a lot of mold designs here. So many mold designs here. Okay. And you can see this is the machines to produce the bottles. Okay, show you the production. Okay, so next step. And you can see this is the bottles production finish. And this replace. These all are the injection machines. Okay, and we can see this is the caps, the finish cap. And after finish this, we will send them to our second floor to finish them. And this is the cabinet. And finish that, we will pack into this box and bring to another production place to assemble. You can see this is another one. Okay, and this we place. This is the small parts, the very small parts. You see? Okay, so you can see we have a lot of injection molding machines, and we open the mold and produce the cap, the plastic bottles, plastic cap, and the plastic more accessory by ourselves. And do you know what? For our materials, we importing from Arabic directly, and totally the materials are the new ones. We will show you the packing now, okay? I will show you. As we all know, some of the factories, they are using the recycled materials, but for us, for our materials, all materials are importing from the Arabic market, and you can see they are remarking here, right? Made in UAE. Made in UAE. And the materials is the polypropylene. You see that? This is the materials, okay? So you can see our materials of the cartridge is very perfect, and the materials is new. And we have a lot of injection molding machines to produce all the bottles, cap, and small accessory ourselves. And we also have the developing technology. So welcome to contact us, and welcome to send us message if you have any requirements for our factories. Okay, see you.